Hello and welcome to the replay. On my own page? Maybe I am. Let's see. Hello, hello. Where's my hand? There I am. There I am. Okay. Tonight we are going to be doing, let's see, there it is, hooray. Why is this not working? It's like my iPad needs to catch up with life here. Hello. Hi, Teresa. Why is it not picking that up? Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to put my website in the bottom here. It's not picking me up. I'm going to let everybody join, and I'll be right there. Hello, hello. Okay. Let's see. Hi, Johnny. Trying to find my Jessica's Chalk COuture VIP group. Sorry, I'm just trying to send this out. Let's see. Here we go. Sorry, I'm trying to find my group real quick. My goodness. Just looking for one. Can't find my own group. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Tori. Hi, Ann. It's alive. It's alive. I'm here. Hi, Becky. Hi, Jen. Hi, Katie. I'm on my iPad because it's how I always look. I always watch my stuff. And unfortunately, because my mini mobile web is down because I exceeded our data. So it won't even turn on now, which is so funny. I didn't know Verizon did that, the little ellipsis jetpack. So I had to use Brand's. Awesome, Teresa. I had to use Brand's hotspot, so I had to connect to that. So anywho, we're gonna use the beach house one from the Sand Sea Sun Transfer. And since we're getting ready to sell this trailer, which has been so good to us, you guys aren't gonna see hopefully my whole face, just the top of my head, because I'm doing the top of the door. I thought it would be fun to have them be greeted with Beach House on their door. So all I'm gonna do is put this on onto my glass, but I need to fuzz it up first, because if you were to try to put this on to the glass by itself right now, it would stick crazy, crazy hard. So let me get my towel. I'm trying to I have to get everything packed up. So all my chalk stuff is packed because we're moving it all out in the next few days. So I had to go get all my stuff out unpacked. So weather's been good. Yes, you're only gonna sit on the chair. Oh, I seriously feel like I need to. I'm like super tiny here. It's too funny. So hi Amanda. I am just fuzzing up my transfer. Okay, I just have it on a towel. I'm gonna fuzz it up real good. before I get it onto. Hi Debbie, hi Sherry. I'm just fuzzing it up real good before I put it on the glass. So, here we go. I'm going to try and find the center of the door. Should be about right there. Okay. And I'm going to put it up and make sure that there's no bumps inside the silkscreen area. Guys, there must have been a skunk that came by here, because all I'm smelling is skunk outside. Oh my God, it stinks so bad. I'm so glad that there's no way it can come. I hope there's no way it can come in. Shouldn't be any way it can come in. Okay, so now I'm going to use some Aquamarine Chalk Paste. Oh wait, is this Aquamarine? Yep, Aquamarine Chalk Paste. Hi Nancy. Yeah, you guys are probably only seeing my forehead because I can't get the camera to go up any higher. And I mean, it is actually up pretty high, but it's because I have such a low table. But I'm just stirring up my chalk paste to get it to a nice yogurt-like consistency, and I'm using my amazing multi-tool. Love this thing. It's so great. Hi Heidi. Out of water. Out of water with my sprayer. There we go. Beautiful consistency. I know, and it's a little dark because we had to put some of the lights away to pack up. Okay, so now I'm going to use the new small squeegee, and I'm just going to dip it right into my chalk paste. And watch how easy this is going to be. I'm just going to slap it right across the transfer, just like so. And they're going to get to be greeted with Beach House when they come. Oh gosh, I hope they don't see this. This was supposed to be a surprise. Oh well. Hopefully they'll be surprised still. And the cool part about this is, so this is glass. It can come off, okay? And because this is inside the porch part, it's not going to be hitting the elements, so it's going to stay on until they take it off, and it'll come right off with water, which is super cool. Look how nice it glides on too. Oh, see, when you have the right consistency for your chalk paste, glides on. See that? Okay, I'm making all my lines off. Okay, wipe that excess back into my jar. Now we're going to take it off. And I'll ask the hubby to go ahead and clean this for me. Okay. Husband. Oops. Okay, husband's not around, so I'll have to clean this myself. Hi, Mare. Hi, Kim. Hi, Debbie. How easy. Look at that. It's easy peasy. And look how cute it looks. Like, it looks all distressed up. I love it. So now they have Beach House. Now, if you were watching this and you were like, what the heck is she even doing? I forgot to put this up there. Here's a little something about Chalk COuture. Just a little something. So you can see exactly what we sell, because we sell our silk screen adhesive back reusable transfers. We sell chalk paste that goes on wet and dries hard. It is water soluble, so it comes off with water. But you can rub your hands all over this once this dries, and it's not going to go anywhere. And then we also sell our Couture ink, which is a permanent solution. Hey babe, you out? He's helping little Bran. So that's answer's going to be no. So I'm going to be holding this transfer by myself. So anywho, so look how easy that was. Can you guys even really make that out? I'm hoping you can. See how it says Beach House on the door? It looks so good. I love it. So now they're going to be greeted with that. And you know what I might even do? Maybe I'll even try and add some seashells up there for them. The only reason why I'm not showing the seashells is because I believe the anchor and shells are sold out. And it was in the catalog that's getting ready to retire. So I don't know that it's going to come back. Hey, babe, can you rinse this for me real quick? What? Can you rinse this for me real quick? Oh boy, did I just do a major boo-boo? I know I didn't. Okay, so how easy is that? Hi, Brenda. This isn't Debbie. This is our old place, or our place that we've been at. But I wanted to put a little something up on the door for the new people that are getting this. I just thought it would be so nice. Oh gosh, you guys get to see me all a wreck. So that's it, beach house. How fun. Oh, I love it so much. See how easy it is and how fun Chalk COuture is? Gosh, it makes me so excited. And look, that took me all of what, 5 minutes to do? Easy peasy. Now, hold on, we're going in and out of focus there. It's because I had to go and touch the goofy camera. Hold on. Maybe I should get it to focus on something else. There it goes. Now, if while you were watching you decided, oh my goodness, I love what she just did, I would love to maybe see if she has any offers going on. And guess what? I currently have an offer going on in my VIP group. So if you'd like to join my VIP group, sorry, I'm trying to get this to come back in focus. Okay, so if you'd like to join my VIP group, I would love it if you would comment me down below. Now, the only thing is my VIP group is for customers only. It is not for designers. Say hi, hubby.
It's like skunk out here.
I know. I could tell. See, I told you it was skunky. So if you'd like to join my VIP group, comment down below. Me, like I said, it's not for designers. I'm so sorry. It is for customers only. If while you were watching this, you were like, you know what? I think I could do what she just did, and I would like to maybe do it and see if maybe I could get some of my girlfriends involved and see if maybe they want to play, or maybe I want to offer some parties. I want to make an income from this. Why don't you comment join down below, and I will happily message you the link to my opportunity group where you can hear all about the Chalk COuture opportunity and what's involved. And that is it. That's all, guys. That's all she wrote. Super quick live tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to share and subscribe to my page. All you have to do is hit the like button. It's super easy peasy. I would truly appreciate it if you did. And that's all she wrote. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I will be back tomorrow with another super quick live before we leave to go home, because I have to go into the office on Wednesday. And yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.